All right, next we're going to talk about, all right, so I've uploaded these to Google Drive, and this is just in the example folder, but this is where my classmates might go if they need additional photos for a page. So I might be an amazing photographer, so when I'm taking pictures, I may actually have additional great photos that I don't need to upload on my practice page, for example. So I've picked out and put 10 photos here. So I've uploaded my photos to the shared Google Drive. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my best shots to the proper folder in Jostens. So it's my job to decide which images are the best. And for my example assignment, I am pretending that you needed to submit just your four best. So I'm going to upload my 4 best. I'm going to go to Create Image Library. And I'm going to go to Example. And I'm only uploading my 4 best here. So I've already put in 2. I think I'll go with this one and this one. I'm using the Control key to do that. But remember, all of these are in my folder, so I could go back and use them later on the page that I'm actually developing, or my classmates could use those on the page that they're developing. All right, those are uploaded. I'm now going to go to Create Layout Pro. And in this example one, I'm going to hit Edit, Images, and we're going to say that for this assignment, you just needed your best 4. And you know what? I skipped a step. I uploaded them. Now I need to tag them. Now I can't tag these images because these students aren't necessarily in our school. Then I'm going to add the images to the correct practice page, which is what I'm doing right now. And I want to come in. I want to position the photo. And you know, I'm deciding that with the square box, that maybe that's not the best photo to use. If I needed a long photo, that would work. So I think on these pages, I would let you guys make some adjustments. Because that works much better. I could even shrink to here. Yes. So yes, you guys can make some tweaks in that manner. So now that I have these on here and they should be tagged, I know they're not because I see this symbol, but again, I can't tag these. So the next part of the assignment would be to write a caption, and we want a caption that tells more than what the image shows. So I'm going to work on writing my captions, and I will be back with you to talk about the caption that I wrote. All right, so when we're writing a caption, we want to think about writing the first sentence in present tense. We always want to identify who is in the picture and their grade level. Now you will notice that I put X's in here. I'm going to be the first to say these are not the best captions. I did write these captions by myself with no one to edit them. I do recommend that when you write captions, whether it's for an assignment that you're turning in or for a final page in the yearbook, that you have a friend, someone else in yearbook, a parent, anybody, edit the caption and try to help you make the caption even stronger. So here I say stretching, XX, this is the player's name, prepares to make the out. We can kind of see that is what's happening. What we don't know is that the pitcher attempted to throw the player out that was hoping to steal second base. So that told us that the person was stealing and who the pitcher was. If we move over to this picture, with a 2-2 count, pitcher so-and-so throws a changeup, striking the Marion batter out to conclude the top of the sixth inning with a 3-run lead. So we learned a lot from that. We knew what the count was when he was throwing this pitch. We knew where it was at in the game, and we knew how much that our team was winning by. Moving down here, explaining the importance of getting the ball to the cutoff, Coach so-and-so encourages the players to communicate. Infield players listed and Coach so-and-so listen intently. So yes, the listen intently is what we see, but I did need a way to try to name all of these players. Sliding in under the tag, so-and-so is safe on third, so we may not realize that this is third base, so I've said that this is third base. I do say that he was safe. I state what the score was, with a score of 3-4 and 2 outs in the fifth inning. Martin's steal was vital to the team winning the game against Green Village by 1 run. Final score. That's a typo. So I tried to give a few extra details. And this is your final step. Again, I should have someone else edit these before I submit them. On the actual yearbook pages for our final yearbook publication, you won't include your name, but my name is here because I'm doing this example. And when you're doing this, Felice and I need to know who to give credit for the picture and the caption. So I hope this helps you understand a little bit about the process that you're going to go through, from taking quality pictures to sorting them, to uploading them, to putting them in Jostens, to tagging them, putting them on the page, and writing some captions.